This is the Philips Sonicare for Kids electric toothbrush. I'm here to give you my thoughts, feedback and opinion, having been using this for a few weeks now. So the first thing to note that there is a full written review that accompanies this video. See the link in the description for that. It goes into a lot more detail, but I'll give you a good overview of this electric toothbrush in this video. Of course, I'm not a kid, but we did seek the opinion of children in reviewing this electric toothbrush to try and give you, as parents and guardians, good, honest user feedback on this electric toothbrush. So Sonicare have a great reputation in the electric toothbrush market, and this one, designed specifically for kids, is very good as well, as you would expect. The first thing you'll probably notice about it is the bold design, and that's what stands out. Firstly, you've got this kind of aqua green coloured grip that runs primarily on the back and the sides of the handle. There's loads of raised contour grips to make it easy for children's small hands to grip onto. There's also this clever little ridge here that means that when the brush is laid down, it doesn't roll about, it stays flat. And you'll see that this front panel's got this kind of bold coloured design on it. This is actually a sticker. You get 8 stickers included in the pack that allow your kids to customise it. You can buy spares as well, so depending on their taste, they can kind of change this, and basically it encourages them to brush their teeth a little bit more. Now, this is designed for children aged 3 years and above. You shouldn't use for children younger than that. Use a manual brush for that. You get supplied with one interchangeable brush head. This is a compact brush head designed for the sort of smaller mouths of, say, children 3, 6, 7 years old. What's particularly nice about this is the back of the brush head is actually coated in rubber rather than the gloss plastic you tend to see on adult brushes, making it softer on children's mouths. Unfortunately, there's no indicator bristles on this brush head, so you've kind of got to remember roughly when the brush head was first fitted, because you should change the brush head every 3 months, as you're probably aware. And those indicator bristles available on some brushes can be quite helpful. So the brush offers up to 31,000 movements per minute. You've got this single power button on the front here, which actually turns the brush on. You get a little LED on here which gives you information about the battery status and to show that the brush is actually running. And then you have another button down here which allows you to choose between essentially what are 2 kind of intensities or cleaning modes, if you like. So you've got extra gentle and gentle depending on the child, so you can have it a little bit more sensitive or a little bit more of an invigorating clean if you want that deeper clean for your child. Now, it's recommended you generally supervise your child when brushing their teeth, but what this brush does is to help encourage and educate kids. Not only is it bold and interactive, the brush has a built-in timer and pacer. So, as you're probably aware, you should clean your teeth for 2 minutes twice a day. So a timer kicks in as soon as you press that power button on, and it counts down. At 30-second intervals, the pacer kicks in and gives a pause in the motion to encourage you to change quadrants so that you get even brushing across your child's mouth. At the end of the 2 minutes, the brush will automatically power off to signal the end of the clean and also conserve battery life as well. So you actually get a 3-week usage time from the battery in this brush. It's a lithium ion battery, really good solid performance. The brush handle itself is water resistant, and there's a 2-year warranty on offer from Sonicare as well. When you do need to recharge it, you use the supplied charging stand that comes in the box. That charging stand has a 2-pin plug that connects to sockets in bathrooms here in the UK. It works on 110 to 240 volts, so if you travel, all you need is a plug adapter. So the brush simply sits on there to recharge the battery, and you get status information via the LED on this power button about the condition of the battery life. Now, to the price of this electric toothbrush. Now, Sonicare do often command a premium, and that's the same with this child's electric toothbrush. The retail price of this is actually £52, which is lower than I'd anticipated. The typical selling price, depending on where and when you buy it, is somewhere around about £30. When you price that over 3 years, as we like to do here at Electric Teeth, including the cost of replacement brush heads, it works out around about 10 pence per day, which I think is very good value given the features that this brush offers, the encouragement that you get from your children from the bright colours. It's a little bit more fun and interactive for them to use. So overall, it's a very good electric toothbrush, but I would also urge you to consider looking at the next model up, the Philips Sonicare for Kids Connected. That has Bluetooth connectivity. It is a premium price to be paid for that, but there are some advantages to be had in terms of the extra encouragement and engagement that the child has. So there's a full written review, as I say, that accompanies this video. Check the link in the description. But until next time, thanks for watching.